Let's work through an example of solving a two-step equation. Solve x divided by 2 plus 5.5 equals 2.9. First, subtract 5.5 from both sides of the equation. 5.5 is added with the x term. The inverse operation of addition is subtraction. 5.5 subtract 5.5 equals 0. 2.9 subtract 5.5 equals negative 2.6. Next, multiply 2 to both sides of the equation. X is divided by 2. The inverse operation of division is multiplication. 2 multiplied by x divided by 2 equals 1x. Negative 2.6 multiplied by 2 equals negative 5.2. The solution to the equation is x equals negative 5.2. Feel free to drop your comments and questions below. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching!